she shake off, she come. Smile upon her face, then she please with desire. Coming around to make me girl, I roll out them eyes.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, so now we are trained.
What going again, Unstoppable family? So people, Spice a drop a project, and upon the project she have two legends upon it, Shaggy and Sean Paul. Now you know say them two names there within itself is a powerhouse, you know. Them man they have a legacy, them man they have something upon them catalog where me not think there is any other artist where have it. Shaggy and Sean Paul. Now the project, it's them release a new single and the song named Guh Dung there. Shaggy they pan it, Sean Paul they pan it, Spice they pan it, and people them get the thing a buzz. It was released yesterday everywhere, and people, the song alright, the song bad, but Spice a whole a reason with the two legend them, and it's like she give them a like a semi-interview, you see it, and it was nice and refreshing for listen to, me not lie. So me decide say, yo, we did have to make you take a listen to the reasoning too, because it was just refreshing for listen to some legends in the business where unite, right? We are going to take a listen right now. Shaggy, Sean Paul, and Spice. SSS. Forward.
Talk about the big bad Guh Dung that will drop today. Thank you guys so much. This is a legendary moment.
It's a part of them say, where you say, go stay down the girl. Them leg up is strong to stay down.
I need to tell you, I try to stay down a couple times and I have a problem with my knee.
I'm
trying to dance to that song, yeah.
Yeah, mommy.
But thank you guys so much for taking the time out to even be on this live so the fans and the people them can see now. And I just want to say big up yourself. It's a legendary moment for me to have two of you, you know, our greatest legends in the genre. You know, just being on the song together is a vibe. So I appreciate it.
Yeah, man, enough love.
Mad vibe.
Give thanks. Man, for big up Shaggy. Cause you shout me and say, yo, Spice thing, you know. I'm gonna say, let me hear that. I just play the rhythm one time and I said, what this? See, and both I want to go hard on it. So give thanks for the inclusion, is it?
You go hard on it too and big up Shaggy.
Yeah.
So, I think the world want to know how the collab come about and everybody. For me, I just like the unity. I like the unity so we can actually come together and make one song.
Yeah.
Everybody see me post SSS and them I wonder what is Spice, Shaggy and Sean Paul, the trio. And it just dropped today. Available everywhere. So yeah, I like it.
Yeah, mad something, man. Yeah.
I mean, I don't think that's the same vibe we've been pushing for the longest, where it's just unity. Sean, you and I have had this conversation over and over again.
Many times,
Spice, you know, you being a big representative for dancehall and for the female in the dancehall. You know what I mean? We use this opportunity to just kind of bring everybody. I hope so we can do more collaboration. I'm always willing, you know, to share the platform. Everything really boils down to the artistry and boils down to what you hear. You know, a man send a song to me if the tune bad, I go pan if it's not bad, you can't vex if you don't go pan if it's not bad. Now we don't go pan bad tune. If the song not bad, it's not bad. But that tune is bad. You know, see, so when Sean here,
bad.
And if Sean, in fairness, if Sean did hear it and never feel said bad and said, boy, and I mean this, I couldn't vex, he must feel, you know,
real.
But right away you hear it and you just say, yo, boom, right away, you never take, you never itch, you never take the time, by next day the vocal come in.
Definitely, and that I want the people to know how generic the energy was. It wasn't forced at any point. I come hear the song, I said that song you're bad, and I'm happy and excited for my fans because you know we've been locked down in a pandemic for a long time, and this is a song where once you hear it, you have to whine and go down there.
Is it?
Now, a lot of people been asking me, what does all Guh Dung they mean and where you go down there. So I just want to be clear to the people that Guh Dung they mean wine and go down there. But at the end of the day, it don't matter what you want wine and go down there, go do. So if you want go down there and go down there, you have to go down there, go do what you want.
Yeah. Talk it, mommy, talk it.
Here's the talking.
I think it would be really weird for me to have both of you on the line, knowing that you both have done something so epic for dancehall that we all dream to reach at a pinnacle that you guys have been. What is the secret That's really what I would like to ask. I think that's what everybody is asking me to ask you guys. What do you think is the secret to your level of stardom?
Well, man, I'm gonna go first, Shaggy. It's me follow the footsteps of great people. So, big up Supercat, big up Shabba Ranks, big up Shaggy. These people show me a route and a way where, with an open heart, you know what I mean? It's not like anytime he step and made a move that any one of them look for me and try to cut me down. The whole, all people I just mentioned give me whole heap of advice in the biz. And so that is what, for me, the unity is the thing, you know what I mean? And I've always had an open mind and an open heart in that direction. So I think my fans and personally feel it, you know what I mean? When you look at the amount of things that dancehall has done as a genre in general, it's not just me and Shaggy, it's many other players. But we see say a lot of people don't get the full accolades that them should.
Yeah, they're not getting.
Yeah, so things like this are show people say who disbelieve in a maybe Spice career or disbelieve in my career, who is Shaggy fans, them will say, let me check out this for real. Or if them disbelieve in vice versa, them all of we are pulled together and build a big, what you call a better empire for the people them feel good about. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
definitely.
I think so. The big thing, when you say a secret, if there's any secret behind it, one thing is, I'm sure Sean will agree, it's hard work.
Yeah, definitely.
Hard work. So Spice, you already possess that main ingredient.
Yeah, you know that.
It's hard work. You know what I mean? I've never seen anybody will work as hard as you, and you run. I mean, I always think to me the hardest work about why you run the hills them hard. You know what I mean?
Hard,
you never slow down, you never stop. You go hard, and that's what really motivates me to really want to get involved in your project the way I did. It's just, your stardom, the way you walk in a room and light up, the way you always. I mean, you teach me so much things in both. You know what I mean? Really, on the social media, you always have Shaggy, you have to do this, you have to do that. I mean, really, because I'm so mind when it comes to, and private when it comes to certain things, and you just let it all out there.
Yeah, all that.
yeah, you know what I mean? So me really does not really have that naturally, but she always I teach me and I show me things and I say, yo, so we learn from each other, but you possess that real hard work. You know, you have to really get up and work hard, and you always have to be a step ahead of the game. You know what I mean? You have to reinvent. Always learn to reinvent. Always learn to come up with something else that's a little out the box. It's easy for people to cookie cut. You know what I mean? You hear a tune go and it come in that style, you have to do 10 of them in that style. So I'm gonna like repeat myself. I do something one way more and change it another way. And so if you look at my catalog of songs, them always change. Sean is the same way. I do different things. I do different collaborations, different movements. And that is part of what always keep you ahead, one step ahead of the game, you know what I mean? And I always, if I'm going to compete, I'm going to take the first, top 10 songs them on the Billboard. And those are the songs I'm competing against. Those are the songs that I'm going to make.
Really?
I'm looking at dancehall, I look on the top 10 dancehall man them. And I just know, I'm going to basically build my tune to compete against them top 10 songs. And that's something always the hard way.
Right. So I see some of the comments and most people are asking and they're wondering. So yes, Shaggy is one of the executive producer for my album coming out. The name of the album is called 10. This song that came out today is one of the songs from my album. It's called Guh Dung. It's available everywhere on all streaming platforms. So Guh Dung. The video drops tomorrow. I'm going to put a link. Y'all can subscribe so you can get the countdown of the video coming soon. That video is something to talk about. Sean Paul.
No.
To talk about.
Yeah, man, for big up J-Will. Because I'm doing things. Nothing I like.
Big up J-Will, but you know me and him can't agree and so, but me I just
I swear God, it's the same way with me and him, Because last time we chat to you in Spice, I said, J-Will, we released my video yesterday for Scotch, and I tell you, say, I get great reviews on it, and I said, watch when people them see Spice and Shaggy and me, the video for Guh Dung there, that's going to be crazy. I'm there for big him up today, because it we work with people more time where you have to elbow check them and say, yo, what you do? And make sure say things that good. But when them step up to the plate, I have to congratulate them too, man. So I have to big him up. He did an amazing job on my video and that one here tomorrow. I thought it was today he was going to drop, you know. I never know say tomorrow thing. What time
tomorrow? We just warm them up with the song, but them go and vibe the song and listen it. Because me in my kitchen I dance to it over and over repeatedly. Everyone will go and listen to it. Then tomorrow you get the video. So I make them go and listen to the song first. I don't want to drop everything from them one time. Because I tell the song bad, I can't get them bad song, bad video one time. I just make them creepy night. You understand?
Mad so.
No,
Talking about working with people, Shaggy, since my wig are gone, my fans know that this is Grace Hamilton doing the interview. So if I speak in third person, don't get confused. So Grace is now asking you, Shaggy, what it's like working with Spice? and with her recording and stuff, can you tell the people them like how was her in the studio when she recording the songs and what was it about her that impressed you? As a matter of fact, let me get to the point. How many minutes did Spice take to record when she go in the studio when you were recording her? Bang bang bang.
Yo, hey, let me tell you, me and Spice at this running competition. Well, not a competition, it's running thing. When we have the song, right, I say, all right, we might present a song to her. And she take the paper and she read it. And I say, all right, now me, I sit down there with Virgin with other people and sit and say, let's see how long it will take her to turn it. And she just look on the whole way and look and say, ready, going. How is she going? We did it so now.
That way, right, that way.
And everybody at the studio and say, yo, we do wait to see when we're going when how it go when it go miss on the lyrics them. And it's like you know going and and shut it down.
Nah, rapid fire.
Let's talk about it. Your ears from the neck yourself.
Anything when I have to change is normally things when I might be directing her or but it's not always she look on the paper, she's very fast. So one of the fastest artists that I have produced that
Hold on. Maybe you're breaking up. Just say that again so them can't hear clear. Maybe you're breaking up.
One of the fastest artists that I have produced as far as vocals are concerned. Very quick. Very, very quick. Very quick. Very quick. So and the thing with Spice is, especially if I write, she made me write the things that when me couldn't say normally.
Yeah.
See.
Right, things that when me couldn't say normally, we can really say with Spice. And then the beauty about her is that she will take whatever it is that you have created with her, she will take it and make it sound 10 times better than what you have in your head. And that's how you know how great.
We're going to the garden,
top caliber artist.
Go into the garden and pick the flowers. Give me all the flowers.
And it just shows to me that once you have good direction, you know, and great production team behind you, you'll come up with some amazing stuff. I'm very, very pleased with the stuff that we have on this album so far. You have some really
we're excited for your Spice.
And there's a whole heap of bad tune. And we have some more tune and know, so we have to go dash to some of them. A whole heap of tunes. You know?
See.
Thank you so much.
But it's a long time coming. A long time we're waiting for your Spice in a full album mode, Shaggy. And I'm glad to say, you know, you team up with her for kind of take the reins on the certain production of it, because we still say she have a whole heap of talent, as you said. You know what I mean? But there's some people who just focus on that, and they're not doing it in the right way. So I give thanks for that.
Yeah, it's been long over.
The whole day, but the fact that you guys were able to, you know, bring dancehall to the level that you brought it, but you still look back. I know Sean Paul, you did a whole album with a lot of dancehall artists. Big up Skilly Bang, Massacre, and the whole thing.
Yeah,
you know, Shaggy, you did Christmas album this past Christmas. We included Ding Dong on your project with Neo. And I personally, if nobody not telling me, I have to tell you, say big up on yourself. When I do great for dancehall, we have to go on the flowers. We're not going to wait until we say yeah, Uno did do. We have to tell them right now. So more when the people them soon up on the road, them tell them in our space while you are here as two legends. Thank you
Give
guys.
thanks, man.
Because
Give
you
thanks.
feel this track for me, go down there, I really appreciate it. Me I show my gratitude. I'm really happy today because my song out, go down there. And me little progressive. Hold on, I'm talk, I don't really respond. Me little progressive where you used to walk barefoot down a whole Britain. Me little progressive where I come from down the south. Yeah, me have Shaggy and Sean Paul for my song. I'm happy for myself.
Yeah, my son. Hold on now. Bigger than that. You have fridge where I play music. No one will forget one of them fridge there. Yo!
What's the freezer for me? Oh yeah, definitely. This is a freezer. Right, that's right. Definitely. I'm really happy to know that the song is out. I just want everybody to support it. I just have to big up on yourselves.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Yeah, man. Straight. No fluff.
And tonight are the man night. Tonight are the big night, Spice.
Tonight is a very big night in Atlanta. Shaggy, where are you now?
I'm in the ATL.
Wow!
What day?
It's a very big night in Atlanta. I'm in the ATL. We're in ATL. Tonight we're going to be at Cosmopolitan nightclub and celebrate the big single we dropped. So anybody with the Atlanta, come at Cosmopolitan nightclub from early.
I want to book my ticket, John.
Remember, say you can't come in from the jet, you know, Paul.
Yes.
You can't come in from the jet, you don't have to book the ticket. Just call up the jet.
Just fuel up the jet. All right, cool on.
Big up yourself and thank you so much. Big up VP Records. They are behind this massively. So you don't know, say, I have to big them up same way. Everybody know there's a recording history with me and VP Records. You know, I start me cuss and go on, but I'm start the things them. But right now it's good over here. It's good over VP Records office. They're doing exceptionally well. So big up Richard, big up Chris Train, big up the whole team, Neil Diamond, big up yourself. Big up the whole family over there. Yeah.
And what makes it so special is this song is a dancehall song from dancehall artists seen on a dancehall label. Seen?
Definitely amazing.
Will be supported by dancehall DJs, right? Who's gonna lead the way. Most of the dancehall DJs them and selectors them who are gonna lead the way upon the tune. Yeah. We want to big up all of the selectors them who many of them talk to throughout the week. Big up everyone who come on board with it. And all of them with some big platforms who really help us. And everybody who support dancehall music that really debuted the song this week. We want to send mad love and respect for supporting not just me but Sean and Spice and every other dancehall artist.
And thanks again.
Now we reach the end of it, and who can say it wasn't refreshing to listen to the three legend them. I mean, some people might have said, but wait, you can't put Spice in the car, Spice and no legend. What you mean? Spice don't pave the way for herself, and no matter how much years to come, Spice name will always remain and will be remembered in the dancehall business. You understand? So, that's just my opinion, and me I go leave it right there so. But what you know, no, more want to talk to me down below in the comment section. If you hear this song yet, let me know what you think about the song. If you not hear it yet, go and go search for it and then come back and say, Unstoppable, this is my opinion upon the song. The song name, Guh Dung there. Spice, Shaggy, Sean Paul. Alright, watch ya. This has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Like, share, comment, and definitely if this is your first time here and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, where you wait upon, hit the subscribe button now. Turn on all notifications. Once we upload a video, you will get notified. No matter what, don't make nobody stop you. I am unstoppable and I'm out.
Right now you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.